Welcome to my video. You got Korey Niese here, also known as Coach Korey 3 on Twitter. So I was just about to edit my Power Lead System sales page right here, where you can learn about everything you could ever want to know about Power Lead System. So I thought I'd make a quick video and show you how to edit sales pages with unlimited videos for one, which is awesome because you can put on as many videos on this sales page template, and I think the other ones too, but especially this one I know how to do, and unlimited buttons, so you give your prospect as many opportunities to buy and sign up as possible. All right, so here's my sales page. It basically answers all the questions you could have about Power Lead System, and then what I'm going to do in real time on this video is put a start a free trial button under every single one of my videos. All right, and then if I scroll down, you'll see there's blank videos here where I can easily put in YouTube code from any one of my videos I've made and stick it right up here on this sales page that answers unlimited questions, basically, you could have before you get started with Power Lead System. So you can put on as many videos as you want in this page. I'll show you how to do that first. So you're going to go in the edit text section of your page, and then you're basically going to click the source code, and all you're going to do is look for the video code. I think it's where would it be? I think it's basically this kind of code that you want to copy that code where it starts like divide class. It says embed container, iframe allow. So this code, all right. You want to grab that code right here, divide class wrapper embed. So this is basically putting in code to host a YouTube video. And then all you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can paste that code in right there. Click save, and then that should put in another video. And I believe that video might, or that code might contain a specific YouTube video with it. So we'll see if I did that right here. Just doing this here in real time. So I click save. I'm going to scroll all the way down. Okay, so it's loading. It's loading. Yep. So I just put that code at the very bottom that contained the sales funnel duplicator video. So you can do that. Obviously, I would just remove the code, the specific YouTube code, and put, I would copy the blank video. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to go back. I just want to show you can put as many videos as you want on this sales page. This, by the way, you get it under Manage Websites. So follow with me here on the page. You go to Manage Websites, and then we're going to go to Click for More Options. All right, once this loads. So click here for more options in the upper right. Right, so right here, click here for more options. So you can get this template yourself. Click Sales Pages. It's 4, Sales Page Template 4. And you can see, naturally, you can put on as many videos as you want. So I've seen a lot of people use this. The top earner use it with tons of, information videos. So I'm doing that too. All right, so let's get back into edit this video here. I should say edit the sales page. So I'm going to go to my sales page. Here it is. I'm going to click edit. So I'm going back into the editor, and then I'm going to click on edit text. I'm going to go back into the source code. All right, I'm going to scroll. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. All right, I'm going to take this section out because I already have that video on the page. So I'm going to hit that. All right, I'm going to delete a few of these dividers, whatever. All right, I'm going to scroll up, and I believe if I copy this code here that contains the iframe allow full screen. So I know this might sound a little complex. I just figured it out with trial and error and just time, effort on my own part. So, you can do the same thing, basically. All right, so now I'm going to put So I just copied this code right here. What's highlighted, I copied that code. This is a code that puts in a YouTube video, and I just hit paste. So I'm just like putting the code there again, and we can go back to my page here. Now this video will be gone at the bottom, so you can see me making these changes here in real time on the video. So if I hit refresh, once it loads, that green video will be gone because I took that code out and I put in another video that was close. See, the spacing's a little bit off. But the point is, the point I'm making, put on as many videos as you want right here. And yeah, that can be a very powerful sales page for not just Power Lead System, but for anything. MLM, a video explaining each and every one of your products about toothpaste, hair loss, weight loss, eyelash, or whatever, like whatever products you're selling. You can make a video explaining every one and slap it right in here on this sales page. Now I'm going to go into the editor again. All right, so I'm going to go back to the editor. I'm going to put a button underneath each and every one of my videos. So I'm not clicking the source code this time. I'm going to click on the picture. I'm going to click on the picture, make it blue. Use my cursor. I'm going to scroll down. So I'm teaching you how to edit these videos for my Power Lead System team, anyone looking to join. I'm going to show you how to use our product. Our product is a website funnel builder. So when you get involved on the 7-day free trial, to make the most of it, you want to get your pages set up. You want to get your domain bought. You want to get plugged in and just rolling. You want to get going, all right? So anyway, click the screen, scroll down, and you're going to see, okay, there's a button there. There's a button there where they can start. Get started now, and it's going to link to a page to start a 7-day free trial. Here's the 7-day free trial. Just put that one in. So I'm going to put in another one. I'm going to click enter. All right, I'm going to go click on the image. See on the screen here, image comes up, and click that image button. Then I'm going to click browse server. All right, and I can pick, these are buttons, little picture buttons, right? They're really just pictures that are ready to go. All right, these are in here in your back office already. All right, I didn't have to put these in. They came with the gig. So I'm going to, this is my 7-day free trial sign up. I'm going to put it in the link, and I'm going to click new window. So when they click, it pops up in a new window in case they want to stay on the page to continue to get their questions answered and watch the videos. And voila. So now I got start my free trial under those videos. I'm going to put a start my free trial button under every one of my videos, and this will be my main Power Lead System sales page I promote. Now you can make your own custom buttons, pictures, like with Canva or some other resource. I don't really do that a lot. I just basically use what they give me. All right, I think that suffice. Start my free trial. Pretty cool gig we got here. You got 7-day free trials of Power Lead System. You got the buttons, you got the pages, everything ready to go. Fully customizable. All you got to do is kind of figure it out a little bit. And my training videos teach you how to figure it out, how to edit the buttons, put in the videos, write the text, do the code editor, blah, blah, blah. All right, so the point is, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want help with Power Lead System. All right, if you want to join Power Lead System and you want to work with somebody who knows it inside and out, definitely join underneath my link under the video. So I'm going to go in here and basically do that. Now you don't need to see me do this a million times, but you can put a button underneath each video, and then definitely one I have at the bottom, I think. Well, I don't know if I have it there yet, but eventually I'll put it there. And then I want to show you, actually I want to click save. Make sure you click save because I don't want to lose those changes. So now we're going to go here, and you'll notice I got, what do I got? I got 2 buttons so far, right? These top 2. We're going to click refresh. And now I got 3, I got 4, I got 5 buttons, I got 6 buttons, right? So, and then what I always want to do is check and click it to make sure it's clickable, because sometimes when you edit, sometimes the cursor gets lost and you just got a picture there and they can't click. So you got to make sure that they can click through and go to the place, because this is where you're going to sign up, get a 7-day free trial. That's how you're going to make money, and that's how you're going to grow your Power Lead System business. You got to make sure the links, the buttons are clickable. So we got buttons underneath those videos. I'm going to go through and edit the rest and put more buttons underneath the videos, underneath all these videos that ask questions about Power Lead System. How does it work? What's the product? What are some of the features? What can you do with it? And I got a bunch of more spaces. So I hope this video was valuable. You can use the same structure that you've seen on today's video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't ever miss a video that I upload. It's all value, information, training, screen sharing. The other thing real quick, I want to show you how to put a video on. So you've seen how to add the videos with the code. Now I'm going to show you how to put on a specific video like this. How to put on a video like that. So I'm going to scroll down. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we're in, so I'm going to put on a video that is like, that's one of the features. So I'm going to click on my playlist, which by the way, I got a massive playlist for like 181 videos, always growing. I'm going to put on, I think ad tracking. I don't think that's on there yet. Let me show you how to do this here. Let me make sure it's right. Because I'm going to keep it the way I put this up. So I got a section that describes the features. I'm going to put on, I talk about video postcards, e-cards, contact manager, and I'm going to do ad tracking because that's a really cool benefit. So let's see here. I'm going to go back into the editor. I'm going to click edit text. All right, I'm going to go into the source. But before I do that, I'm actually going to click, I'm going to count. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to count down on the page what video this would be. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this will be the 16th video. All right, so I'm going to go into the text, the source code. I'm going to go into the source code, and I would actually just count. See here. I think there might be an easier way, but for now I'm just going to count. And then I'm going to put in the code, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. All right, so I believe this is the first video right here. So this, the iframe, allow, embed, container, that's the first video section. So I'm going to scroll down. Let's see, so I believe that would be 1. Just see. That'd be 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14, 15, 16. Boom. I believe this section is the 17th video. So I'm going to go to this code right here. And I'm going to grab the iframe code. I'm going to click share. I'm going to click on embed. I'm going to click on this whole code. I'm going to copy it where it says it starts with less than iframe and it goes all the way to iframe greater than. This is how I do it. There might be another way, I'm sure there's all kinds of ways, but it's how I do it. So where my cursor is, this is the 17th, I believe, if I counted it correctly. So I'm going to go all the way to iframe greater than. This is just how I do it, how my brain works. So I'm going to click in paste. I'm going to click save. We're going to go over to our page here. We're going to see if I did it right. Might have did it wrong. Oh, I just missed one. I just missed the video. So I was on 18 or something. So I just missed the video, but I got ad track in there. And then an open spot there. So to make it easier when you're putting videos in this edit section, I think you can tell where you left off, so you don't have to go back and count every time, because you can just look at you can just look for a YouTube link. All right, so right there, contact manager. So I know that was that's going to be video here, and then the code underneath is going to be empty. So this code right here, I believe this section, this code is empty. So I can put in I should be able to put in a video here. Let's see if I got some YouTube code in there already. I'm not sure if I do or not. All right, I might. But either way, that's how it works. That's how you put the code in. It's a little bit, it might look a little bit confusing, but it's really not. Let's see if I can do that. What's another feature? We're going to talk about email autoresponder. Email autoresponder. All right, so I'm going to grab the code. I'm going to click embed. I'm going to copy this code, and I'm going to see if I'm correct. So, contact manager here. All right, and then so contact manager, and then underneath that is the contact manager video. So I'm gonna go with I think you also might be able to just put in this 10 or 11 digit code here after embed. You might be able to just put that code in and switch the videos out. Actually, it might be easier that way, but you can do it this way too. So I know this is a really technical video for those of you that are really serious about using PLS system. So let's see. Let me put in, I think this section would be contact manager. Let's see here. Oh, you gotta play around with it. Let's see, I lost my cursor. But you can kind of see in the code, what I'm saying is what word you wrote on your page. So contact manager, these words, e-cards, video postcards are going to come up in the code. So the point is, I'm saying the code underneath that section is going to have your video, and then the next section, if it's the last video, is going to be open. It's going to be open to put in a new video. So contact manager is right here. That's where it says contact manager. So I think this code here already has a YouTube video. So then I think the code here is the one empty. So I'm going to grab that code out here in this section. I'm going to replace it here really quickly. I hope you stuck with me this whole video, and we're going to put in see if that fixed it. So what I put in was the email autoresponder feature, and I want it to go right here, tapping the screen. I want it to go right there in that section, but I'm not sure if I did it right. It looks like I did it right. So that's how that works. I hope you follow with me. You got the different features, email autoresponder, ad tracking, and then if I wanted to put in the next video, like I said, I'm going to go back into the editor section, and I'm actually going to look for I can either look for this YouTube code, or I can look for the word contact manager. So eventually I'm going to put in some headlines that say email autoresponder, etc. PLS ad tracking, and then after ad tracking, I would look for ad tracking in the code. Then I would put in the new YouTube video underneath in the next set of code. So anyway, I hope that makes sense. But that's how it's done. If you want help with that, I might be able to help you set that up. If you go into PLS system, go in as a customer, maybe upgrade, and I'll help you set up a funnel like that. An awesome sales page. So anyway, that's how you do it. subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.